Now let's see what does this term mean. Okay, managed. What is here? And it's known, its type and mode is equal to manage. Now we don't have to use this. And what does this mean? Okay, managed mean that this PC is being managed as the MAC address will only work when it's being needed. Okay, it's going to send a request to the router and receive it, nothing else. Okay, after connecting it won't do anything, but what we had to do is we had to hack a Wi-Fi device, and we had to check for Wi-Fi devices, every Wi-Fi device. So what we had to do, we had to monitor something, we had to monitor a network. So for using Wi-Fi attacks, we are going to need to change its mode to monitor mode, because it simply won't work in the managed mode, because managed is something that is connection oriented. Okay, so you just send data and receive data, so that's it. But what we had to do, we had to use it for as the monitoring purposes. So let's do it. How we can do it? There is actually two modes. You can change it to the monitor mode. What first one is, use airmon, okay, airmon ng, and type start VLAN 0. So VLAN 0 is our network interface name. Whatever is stating your Wi-Fi interface card, you are going to enter it. Now if you hit enter, VLAN, okay, so I guess I have and written a more, okay, now it will work. And plus we will need a sudo permission. So okay, so it works. You can see we are disconnected from the network because will be using the monitor mode right now. Okay, what will happen now if I go to IW config? Now you can see there's nothing showing that it's managed or something. Okay, it's just showing me the network interface card. Okay, so we have changed our mode from managed to monitor mode. So this is how you do it. Now if you are going to use the other method, you will use IW config, and you're going to specify the network. You will use VLAN 0 and then use mode and change it to monitor. Okay, this is the another way to do the same. Okay, just hit enter and it will work. Yeah, and put a sudo in front of this command. Okay, so we have changed this to what you can say, to our monitor. Okay, now we can see if we use air dump ng. Okay, now if we use VLAN 0 mon, it should work. Okay, so we need a sudo command for this. Let's do one thing. Okay, let's just elevate the shell to root. We're going to do this by using sudo su command. I just typed sun accidentally. So now we are root. Now what we can do is we just do VLAN 0 arrow dump VLAN 0 and it should work. So here it has already started scanning for the Wi-Fi networks. So good job if you are right here. So first thing we have done. Now let's go to the next section.